Hello, good day everyone. This is Tefs. Welcome back to this channel. We have a Panasonic LED TV. Model THL39B6X. It's turning on but the backlight only flashes. I will show you how to fix it. If you are interested in electronics and want to learn how to repair TVs and other electronic gadgets, you came to the right channel. So be sure to like, subscribe, and ring the notification bell so you never miss a video like this. So let's get started. There is a dark spot on the PCB of the LED driver. This might explain why the LED only flashes. These transistors look burnt. Seems they are the LED current control. Four transistor current controller, so it's a 4 LED array. The collectors are going to the negative end of the LED arrays. I think the transistors are okay. They look burnt or damaged, but they are not. The transistor becomes dark because of the long-term use. They are very hot when they are in operation. Let's not focus on the LED driver. Let's take a look at the LED bulb. The Panasonic THL39B6X is about to be around 15 years old now. The panel is durable. Unlike the panels available today, it takes only about 2 to 3 years before the CKV gets shorted. A total of 60 LED bulbs are used for 39 inches. It is the way to extend the lifespan of the LEDs. The more LEDs there are, the brighter the light will be, and the current flowing through the LEDs is minimal, and for arrays so the voltage is low, to avoid spark when the LED gets open. Let's plug in the TV and see how many LEDs glow. As you can see, some LEDs did not glow. One array of LEDs does not work. A total of 60 LEDs and 4 arrays, one array is a total of 15 LEDs. This group is the one array. In this arrays may have an open LED. Let's test them one by one using an analog multimeter. The LEDs is 3 volts. The analog multimeter uses two 1.5 volt batteries so it can power the LED. This one is open. I will not replace all LEDs. Replacing all will cost high, the owner may no longer continue to repair it and I will not make any money anymore. Sometimes, it's important to be wise to determine the best way to make money. Lower the cost for customers to avail services, even if the profit is low. I recommend replacing them all to avoid a back job. Hoping the other LEDs will last long. The other are shorted so the other arrays still work. We will use a factory cut 3 volts LED. Some 32 inches LED TV today uses only 12 LEDs, which is very easy to replace. But 60 LEDs? It took a long time to connect them all.
Has gone on strike as of 6 o'clock. Another news is the New York Times go on strike, but all the newspapers in New York went on strike until October.
The robot voice does not need to explain how the process works. It shows on the video how. I will be back later.
Ayan. Si TBBM, nagsasalita siya ngayon.
5 LEDs have been replaced, 4 shorted, and 1 open.
Presidente. Siya yung nakaupong presidente.
A few moments later.
The TV now is working great. Not replacing all the LEDs is not wrong. It's a matter of deciding whether to go ahead or not. The customer has no budget for it, so only the defective LEDs were replaced. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed and learned something from this video. You can help this channel by liking, subscribing, and ringing the notification bell to never miss a video like this. Once again, I am Teps. See you again next time. Bye for now.